The world is a good place. You can feel it when you're looking at mountains, or clouds in the sky, or all the different manner of living beings that fly, run on land, or swim. You can feel it when you're listening to music. The world is beautiful and awesome. But in this good world, is life also good? It doesn't have to be. It usually isn't. Boo-hoo, cry me a river. There is suffering out there and it will always be there. But there is so much more to this world than just that. Being negative your whole life is really exhausting. And eventually, after a certain point, you're just too tired. You don't have the energy anymore to stay negative. Unless at the present moment you're in real physical pain, it is possible to move on past the negative elements of life and focus on the positives, which there are many. The beauty of the natural world is real, and it is something truly worth living for. It is easy to concern yourself with all those big issues that you have absolutely no control over, those big worldly problems that you feel like they're keeping you down. Whatever, if you can't do anything about it, stop complaining. And if you can do something about it, also stop complaining. Just focus on your own life, what you can improve in it. Pursue happiness, the things that you find desirable, and distance yourself from the things that you find unpleasant. Do not try to forcefully mute your anger and vengefulness. Those are valid emotions and they have a purpose just like any other feeling. However, having some perspective helps. I'm glad that I was born, despite of all the bad things, because this is a world of much beauty and many opportunities. All suffering eventually comes to an end, one way or another, but the world always remains beautiful. Might as well see this life to the end, see where it goes. It's a good world that we live in.